Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on. The more them fight and the stronger me get super saiyan.
You know, see me boy when he skinny from morning. From morning, the boy come out here, you know, want to go to school, you know. You know, want to go to school, you know, want to do nothing at all. I know if you find him, let me go to the road see if I see him.
What if a bad man think him deal?
He must know.
Boy, I think it's a picture of the school and boy going on.
You see boy skinny?
See your chatty mouth boy skinny? No, sir.
You know sound no chatty mouth?
No, Miss Mary, man.
Oh no sound no chatty mouth?
No, man.
You know see him?
No, man.
That boy no want to go to school. He no want to do nothing. I no must stop tell life on him. That boy is a brilliant and bright boy. He's going to turn Prime Minister.
No,
so no stop tell life on him.
That the chatty mouth boy, Miss Mary, turn Prime Minister.
My boy a brilliant boy and going to turn Prime Minister.
Alright, I better get rid of him.
Watch them attack, say the thing a shot down. And I hope your man call them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dead. Lock up in a jail and I saw the thing work. How prolong? Watch them attack, say the thing a shot down. And I hope your man call them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dead. Lock up in a jail and I saw the thing work. Mob life, life is a blessing. The most I know they see my regular me see my life is stressing. The money in my pocket and my family used to say things like
me know every week me no pay man, but this week me go pay. Just tell him say me I go pay man. Convince him man. The thing say me hungry from last week me no eat for true. He will believe you, you know?
So yes.
He will believe you man, just convince him man. Just convince him man, me who you want sweetie. The true. Yeah.
That is skinny out of door say he might just 2 flowers from you, but he say not pay until next week.
The skinny say no money, nah run. 4 weeks now you want me and not pay me no money. So me not pay, me not trust him nothing. You do homework yet? Go home to do your homework, man.
Yes, Daddy.
School late for your morning time. Go on home to do your homework.
And I'm rush, I'm go with you. I don't know your money.
Daddy say not just a dumpling because you don't pay.
Then look at 2 weeks out of trust cinema go and suffer. In too tight with the flow of them stuff for true, man. Let me move, so. Hey.
How are you going?
Your father ever cook it and you're hungry and it take long to cook.
Yeah.
You know, say, hey, me hungry, you know. From last week, me no eat. 2 weeks now, no last week, 2 weeks. But it lasts so long, sometimes I don't remember. You know? Yeah. So, me I beg you if you could have just go in there and watch the pot. You can hide and take out one for me.
No, but that's a stealing skinny.
No, I'm not stealing. It's called taking. And your father, so you can't steal from your father for true.
Me never bother with that, the later.
Hey, and that's why I don't like deal with look up at this for true, you know. One flour you can't eat out of one big pot of flour for true. Hey, Martin, hey, he man mean, you know, man. Mean. I talk about me went for 4 weeks. Just forget about that. Look how long that. A new time, you know, new time, a new year too. And yeah, worry about 4 weeks. Another 6 flour, I trust 6 flour. And yeah, worry about flour. Me not left till me get the flour tonight, you know, by the hook or the crook. Me not left.
Okay. Yeah, big man. Where you do you so?
Eh?
Where you do you so?
Mommy, well I know.
Yeah, big man.
No, eh?
Your parent?
Eh? No, me no big man for sure.
Your parent?
No, mommy.
Where you do it so?
No, it's a work. Me I get mommy.
Work you get?
Yeah, me I get one work.
How much you get for your work?
2,500 a week.
2,500?
Yes, mommy, hold on, me I get the work. Hold on, mama say you can't beat me in a public, you man laugh at. Mommy, hold on, no.
Okay, sick. Stand in the yard.
You can't leave me now. Yo, that's hot, you know,
You're
man.
gone. Nothing plate on the wash, you don't do nothing in the
I'm a
yard.
big man, and so for cho.
Wait till you come back in the yard.
Can't bother, you know, man. Me
Wait
have
till
my
you come in the
father
yard
for
back.
cho, you know, because I don't get nothing for it at the time.
Big man
I
here,
want me
son.
turn
Wait
the
till you
yard.
come back in the yard.
Right now, me alone great. Sure.
You know, brother. Don't know things that life and strength. You don't know. Move health. Right now, I say, oh, God bless. No man curse. Just go and do it right. Better must come. So go on, man. I like that. Jah Rastafari. Thanks and praise. We just put it so work. I know so better come one day. I like. Jah know start. From 6 to 6 man there, you know. Jah know start. Yo, Jah know, brother. Right now, maybe deserve a piece of food because my woman have to feel bashy this weekend, you know. Oh, she got supermarket this week. A best thing you know, come out and go straight. Oh, this week, me have a Chatty, you know. And one thing me know. Oh, Jah bless. Me say no man curse. Thank God for all I'm not the worst. Some wicked people, but we drive in a hearse. But we put Jah first. What's the last trip this man make to do? Jah know I work your kind of. Yo, the boss boy, yo, me say, you say, me no get piece of food today. Oh, wait. Yo, Jah know me feel bossy. Cause from 6 to 6. Say we no matter about the fight.
5 and 5 and 10 and 10 and 20.
No fuss say we don't,
If your belly empty, it found
man
over
just chant
20.
Psalms and Jah fill my cup. Because he make me rise, he make me rise. We no matter about the fight, we ain't giving up. No fancy we down, but Jah lift we up.
Padam,
Man
padam.
just chant Psalms and Jah
Padam,
fill my
padam.
cup. Because he make me rise,
Padam,
he make
padam.
me rise. Wagwan skinny,
Padam, padam.
yeah deal with now.
For true. Chat about. Hey, the tune they bad for true, you know.
All heap of them we have one
For
release,
true.
man.
How long me I tell you for voice the song for true, man. You ramping with music. Hey,
Brother.
music can bring you go far, you know, higher.
We are talking about Aya.
Hey.
Aya, make a good seat, Aya.
Hey.
Because we need for reason, you know, Aya.
For true, man.
Yeah.
A long time me I tell you for reason for true. Yeah, man, because reason is good. Hey, it's more time with no reason. It's good for the health, you know.
Yeah. So what you say, you know?
Aya.
Differently, I know upon, you know, Aya.
I have some good news for you, you know, Aya.
What you say, Aya?
Yeah, man, some good sauce. You don't know.
What you say, Fire?
Some good.
What kind of good sauce you that? Rasta no deal with sauce, nor mix up, nor Babylon. What you talk about sauce?
Relax, man.
All right.
Ease yourself,
What
man.
you say, sir? Talk to me straight.
You know, say, I hear them say the Rasta not reach nowhere in a life. Fire! What them talking about?
What you say? Fire from Babylon.
Sit down, man.
Fire
Sit
power who
down.
want talk. I know. Look where I and I be.
Bashi.
Rasta no in a
Original.
bunga. Look where I and I in a.
Who a dirty bongo?
Let me tell you this, man. You see, if you come to me about work, you come to me about work, Fire. Fire, listen me, Fire.
Look out
Fire,
for
listen me, Fire. Me no mix up, me no bangarang, me no nothing at all. Me no live in a tenant. Fire, listen
Then
me.
I don't know them thing, them man. I burn them out, you know, cause I know say no do them thing.
What you say? Where you come to me about? Talk to me.
You know, say, a 2 days now, me no eat, man. It's rough for me, no.
So
Things
you
not
want to
going
try
so
come round and come tell me your problem and you want to
No,
go
man.
back and back in the days
No,
and now,
man.
boy.
No, man.
Talk to me straight. What you
Let
say?
me see, man, you know, true me no eat, the worm them in my belly kind of harsh and I did me rugged stuff for true. When me a walk, you know, my belly can't walk. Me
So
hungry
what
and I
you say
lean
now?
up. So as I true friend and a true believer, the Emperor Selassie, Jah Rastafari.
Rastafari.
I man just a look alone. 2,500, that's not hard, man.
John, what you say?
Yeah, man, it's a loan, man. Just me a look
What you
something
mean
for borrow,
by-
man. 2,500 me a borrow, man.
Alright. See you borrow your brother. Come for you borrow Aya. Aya, let me tell you this, Aya. Listen me, Aya. You can't get up every day and preach say you go walk around and try to get something in your hand or something for full your belly, Aya. You have to pray higher. Rasta, you have to pray higher. You can't sit down every day upon your foot them, my lad. Get up off of your foot them, my lad.
Hey, Kiwi, you're not easy, no man. What you mean? If me no walk on my foot, oh, me I go walk.
Alright, sit down upon your foot every day and feel like things are come to you. You want to come back? Higher. I beg you want to come back higher.
Just easy, no man, and stop the me so
brother,
rough.
listen what I say, brother. Look how much man you see in the street where you see a beg. What you see them do? They walk barefoot and a kick buckle. A madman them. I know you is a bright boy.
For true,
a talented
true.
boy. So you
True.
can sit down on the corner and waste your time. What I say you for pray?
Aya.
Aya.
Aya, aya.
Aya, aya.
Aya, aya. And you see when you lend me that 2,500, I bring it back fast for you.
Alright, and you see when you shoot that barrier and work the 5. You get it.
Hey, Kiwi, what you talking about, man? You know, so me push man.
Alright. Me not need no more talking with you, no.
New champion, man. Me can't
Alright,
destroy
hold
me
it.
shoot. Just relax, man. Kiwi, me and your friend, you know, man.
Aya, yeah, I go on, aya. Tomorrow, I want to finish them stone, yeah. And you see, if you finish them stone, yeah, you don't have to beg no money, man.
So you give me 2,500.
You mean, man?
Yeah, chat board,
Yo,
for true,
you
true.
mean, man?
Hey, I'm a real G, you know.
let me
Hey,
tell
I'm a
you,
real
man.
bitch, man.
Alright, that's
For
how
true,
yeah.
man.
Me I go
Yeah.
just know, so me have a last chip, yeah.
Yeah.
I know, so yo, me I got my bed, come I go
So
check my
you
woman.
not give me money for true.
Brother, me say, you know, yeah, me tell you, so tomorrow when we finish them stone, yeah.
Yo, me can't, yo, me no in not pushing a barrow, man. One to you, man, me can't manage to push no barrow. Yo, okay, we are move some, man. As a real virgin, man, the man not for deal me so harsh, man. 2,500 is nothing. It's that a chum change, you know, man. Yo, some people just tight with their money and go on like say money and all that. Money. If it, like them have some money problem. What's wrong, man? True. So,
Yo,
Ficho, where you go on with Ficho?
how that?
What you mean how that so? Are you a big friend?
Big friend.
Yeah, Ficho.
How that?
Where you go on so?
Oh, I go on skinny.
Me there Ficho. Hey, them flour them bad so Ficho, you know.
Yeah, man.
So you can cook, you know?
Yeah, man.
You can cook Ficho.
Me I need up some flour for Ozzy.
Boy, so you know, say me I tell you, say me I walk I come down the road so Ficho. I tell you, you see, 2 days now, me not eat Ficho. You see, scent and the aroma, your food so Ficho. I say back me from left to right, so whoop, so me I tumble up Ficho. Me I tell you, say me I have to hold it.
We are say.
Ficho. Yeah. Ficho, man. Boy, so you see every day, me I tell you. Hey, so when me I come in on Ficho, you know, me I hope and pray, say you are cooking, you know. Yeah, come here, tell you, say, hey, say, when they hungry, lick me so for cho. The scent, nice scent and hungry, them the two combination work well together, you know, cause if me ever the alpha out and look and the place lock up, and then I tell you, yeah, cook so for cho. All the chatty neighbor we have so for cho, and him did that cooking, wouldn't give me none. Yeah. So just 3 of them were alright with me, you know, I cook chicken or fish.
So cook banana, steam fish and okra, you don't know say. Me have to strong up Ozzy.
Me know them.
But
say,
not enough me I cook still so.
You don't have to give me 3.
No
give me 2
man,
and a
you
half
can't
for
get none of this man. I know what leap, no enough.
You're too mean, man. Yeah, most.
No man, I know what leap skinny man.
Give me 2 then.
No what leap man. No sir. Can't share skinny.
Then
A limited amount.
one we do.
No sir. No sir, you can't share because you don't know. Kiwi still already him love eat and left. All 12 o'clock in the night.
Boy, it rough still, you know. Rough still. Not even one eye flour. Me one can salsa for true. And me not left till me get the 5 and 1 eye flour if it's some gravy. Smell good still for true, you know. Me I tell you. No sir. By the hook or the cook. Hey, so, true. Me rate you, so. Yeah, man, me rate you, man. How are you there?
You don't know saying gonna work, man. You don't know saying love work already. Him is hard working, he gonna work.
For sure. So,
Yeah.
hold on. Rephrase back your statement again. May I go ask you the question one more time. Because it seems like you never hear me say properly. So, where is Kiwi?
You don't know say Kiwi gone on the road, he mean work. He means hard working.
You think I food me come here for? Me no want to got it. Me no want to got it. Because you see me want to got I food more that come from. You understand? But you see true, me know say you cook good food, me ask you for your 3 flour. Because you know 3 and nothing. But watch you know. It's a sauce me come give you.
Me no no sauce business.
You know in no sauce business. If you know a kiwi there, then you would want your local sauce. And this is not a local sauce, it's a big sauce. Because you see, yeah, they may catch him look a while, but gonna work. It's true. I look him, I no love people business, I no fussy. I'm done there. Boy, so it's sad to say. See that man we have, that piece of man we have, is not a good man for true. Just as me I come down the road, you know me no like people business already and they say, so me not fast over people yard. So me I walk and mind my own local business. So for true, walk with my head straight, cause me not look over people yard and then stuff like that. Next thing people will say you're fast in them business and you want to see what over there yard and all of them so foolishness there. You understand? So me I walk no one's like the good spirit tell me so look right. So me I say look now, me say look right for. It's when me go so true and go so and look under me right here and look over my right so for true. Guess who me say?
Who?
Over a big body girl yard.
Who?
Guess who?
Who?
For true. No Kiwi. Yes, man, the girl me say I go in a house. You want to see them? I say my go on like yeah. So between me and you, I don't think it's a good man for you. Me I tell you the truth. The man that the girl there had a long time. Me hear about it, you know? You never hear about it?
No, sir.
Yeah. Actually, nobody no good to you. Me good to you. Me a good somebody to you. Me a like your brother to you for true. And me I always look out for you. Me I tell you. But if you think I food, I know food me come out.
No worry yourself,
but I true me
man.
want to look for food for eat. You know me stop by to see him way, cause you know.
No worry yourself, skinny man. Me go give you some of my food, cause you're a good youth, you know. You're a good youth.
For true. Well, say, it not take long.
No, man.
A dirty
It not
boy.
take long.
Dirty boy. Boy, dirty, you know. After you have good woman, look on your soul. Look on your soul.
Look
on
for
your
me.
soul. For true.
Yes, sir.
And boy, big body girl, a fake body, me say a fake body she have on. For true. Yeah. Fake body. I'm a run down fake body. Rasta run down fake body. Fake bumper, so for true. In another style. But no worry yourself, so as long as me a big friend, me I ever look out for you. Me no love people business, you know. But you see, anyway, me see your business, me I make sure say me pay keen attention for true. Me I tell her for true. But no worry yourself, man. I got your back, girl. No worry yourself for true. Dirty boy, you know. If I me like it, so when you come here, you run him out. Run out him backside. Run him out. Where you do?
Run him out.
Run out him backside, so for true. Dirty boy. Yeah. Dirty boy.
Go on, hygiene. There, man. Just a come in half a slave, you know what thing go. Higher heights, you know. I and I take time going to my I and I princess, you know. So I and I go push her, yeah. Wow, go on, skinny.
Watch here. Where they
Oh, you're there, yeah.
I'm there, man. I'm there by black man. The five black wives of
They are just a come in off a slave.
No man.
Empress. What go on?
Where they come from?
Where you ask me say where me a come from? Where I come from?
Where they come from?
No man, you can't ask where I come from. I know you come from half a slave.
You come from a slave, no?
Yeah, so I and I steam in a go on in a kitchen there.
Oh, yeah? Alright, you soon know.
Hey, you know, set me a eat tofu flour and raisin. You see, when you say I go buy spring roll and fresh. Alright. When I'm circle back, man, we chat, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Because Empress. So come
yeah, man, go on.
Where you go with the pot, Empress?
So where you do the pot? So?
Where you go with the Empress? So what kind of style?
Go make your big body girl cook for you and wash for you. You're not sleeping here tonight.
Rastafari, what kind of Babylon system this is? That's why I'm telling you, woman can't run the earth, you know. But I and I go hold a small fresh still. Alright, I soon come make things get better. Acha, a bag wire they hold the eye.
My life on no bed of rose. Sometimes me have to put on my brother clothes. If me never talk, you would never know. Sometimes me never have no shoes for me toe. My life on no bed of rose. Sometimes me have to put on my brother clothes.
Rolling.
I go on Kiwi.
I go on, my general.
There, man.
John, no, daddy. Me I tell you, say no bad man. You wanna know, say boy. Jah no fire.
I'm to your Kiwi.
Aya. You know, say. Man, come home today, you know, Aya, from working, you know, Aya. Empress.
Yeah.
Do some little thing, some little weird thing to the Aya. Empress dash you had the food in front of me, Aya.
No, sir.
And
Aya. Go on.
Aya, Empress I talk about big body girl. Same ear, so me a big body girl down the road, Aya. Me I tell her, say, no, Aya. A false news them a bring on to Aya reputation in Aya. And Aya, John know Aya. John know.
Stress out now, Kiwi.
John know, me I tell you, my general. You know what I'm saying? I just believe say skinny. Cause a skinny had the all the hygiene and the black at the time, you know. And when I go home and meet Empress and I call the Empress. Empress just come out, come talk about big body girl. And then skinny miss her.
Skinny. Then skinny na chatty man and my cousin, you know. A skinny. Yo, come on, Kiwi. Now I have to go fix things, man. Yo, things have to fix tonight, man. Forward.
John, no, I know make certain Charlie no higher.
Yo, forward, man. Alright, guess what? Lock the front gate there for me, that's the dog them no come out of the place. I walk around and go link me, yeah?
Alright.
Boy, skinny.
John, no.
Like it,
Oh, mankind stay so. Mankind just John no fire. You're the most last year. Jah Rastafari. And can't hold me down in a banger. I'm going to make a walk.
Wagwan, Susan.
Wagwan.
There, man. You know, say you come give one link. Kiwi done show me say how you're in the panel local vibes, and I want Skinny a chat off him out and I tell her be things. You can't listen when Skinny talk to you, you know. And my cousin I want to go informer, be mix up them boy there. I don't know him one time so.
Kiwi must know why I want to tie big body girl and close them if you can't take out and go on.
Which big body girl I talk about?
The one was Skinny tell me about.
Which big body girl I talk about?
The same one.
Yo, me tell you, say you can't listen to Skinny, you know. Skinny I want chatterbox. I don't know him one time, so the man just love people business. Yo, that the man not even work, you know. He just sit down and shop pays every day and watch everybody business and chat out it. You can't make a boy skinny mash up on a relationship. How far you and Kiwi are forward from?
Boy, me no know. Me no know. Once somebody can't tell so much lie.
So hold on. We say one somebody can't tell so much lie. That the man they are lied. That the man they will tell lie upon anybody. All himself in tell lie upon. So me no see who he won't tell lie upon. Me tell you say you can't make skinny mash up on a relationship. Right now I'm married and Kiwi if you are pray if you married. You talk about comfy clothes. The time they make skinny full up head. I go to one skinny one you make him a come chat. I go to hungry belly. Cause boy I love him belly, you know. He love him belly so we can use congy if you get food. Know yourself so. One solution to this problem. Call it chatty boy skinny and Kiwi and make it 4 away. If 5 away confront and say yo, settle this thing. Cause you see boy skinny, I want lie and I want chatty mouth boy. I see me boy talk about me cousin Tyrone not like my music, you know. And if you tell you the truth, Tyrone I try to make link if he think get better. Skinny I want to look bad man corrupt boy. Don't listen to him and make him mash up your and Kiwi relationship. Yo, you can't listen to him. And look for this I say, if you did know, go for and Kiwi I come from. Make your boy skinny. Yo, when he come to your yard next time, tell him to come out to your yard and not give him no food. You give him food?
No, he ain't get to eat none.
I see it, a food the boy did a hink of. I make him a news to you. If you tell the boy if he tap come in your yard. And I go tell Kiwi if he run him out too. Cause the boy there, I just be a chat and make be a problem. I see him, I tell you say boy tell lie for my cousin when name Tyrone, you know. And when me check it out, Tyrone I make link for me get me tune play up on ear, on radio. And the same boy skinny, if we did follow him, me would have this Tyrone. But me have to say yo, come we confront and then we settle it and him a try run. You know yourself so. Around a boy skinny yard me I go right now. Around them I go. And me I carry Kiwi up here. Yeah man, me I carry him back up here because boy skinny have a problem. Around them I go right now. Boy I just love chat people business so me don't know. Me don't know what make a boy. Oh in time someone. Me don't know where mother get him from. Boy I just love chat to backside. Susan, me tell her say don't listen boy.
I can't believe me skinny a good virgin eye.
Yo boy skinny me not know your man does a chat.
I can't believe the eye.
Auntie!
Yo!
What go on? You
There,
skinny there?
There. Eh?
You skinny there, not there?
Oh, that's rolling.
You what go on auntie?
From man, him no see boy skinny, you know when they.
Boy I try mash up in Kiwi and the human life. If you tell him if you come out of people business, and my cousin but in chat too much. And your son, me know you know like when people talk about him, you know, but in chat too much.
You know, so if you tap tell like me pitney, tap tell like my son because say he not. I like you to tell pan him now, mash up nobody like.
No, daughter, hold on no. Me and my daughter will a reason, you know. And daughter tell me say, you know, skinny I tell them all of these stuff, you know.
Oh.
And I a hard working man, you know. And I don't want skinny go tell my daughter say him pass me on no big body girl on no road, you know.
Eh?
I mash up life business.
And that thing I do?
And that skinny I do, you know.
True man.
So how no know so my son I do then something then?
Well I know. My
woman.
I'm a woman she got to, you know. Skinny I look cup of flour, I just cup of flowers. Him want the hygiene want, you know.
Hungry
the hygiene hungry, I want food and carry my name for food.
So I use him a carry pan you forget to feed.
Something for eat, so I just want to see him and confront him and make him know say, oh.
I wonder if he knows to make up 24/7 and the boy skinny now hungry.
I don't know, he look like that boy a smoke weed and I remember do some all kind of stuff, but that boy, him look like him have something big on him head. I don't know if for the world or something higher, but him look like him now meant to go higher. I just want to see him and confirm him.
Boy, chat too much.
You see me tell you about that boy there? He chat too much, you know? He chat too much.
Right now, him make me nearly sleep out in the cold. Right now, he come like a cold, me have to go sleep in tonight. Right now, him wants if everything can alright. So, Mama can link up back Empress, and Empress knows that everything alright. I and I just want to put back things in place with I and I data. So, I just one thing I want to know, say, just tell your boy Skinny, for mind him mouth, mind for him own business, and love people business.
I have to know, I don't know none of them going to make out about that, and I'm not busy about it, no.
Alright, get some more.
In my yard.
Your son. So anything happen in anything want go on, you have to go talk to Skinny.
Anything or anything.
Auntie, you need to talk to your boy. You don't broke him too bad.
He will on mix up.
You need to talk to your boy. And he now go tap on top to tell somebody mash up his mouth.
He will have a good day.
Yeah, better we go on now, because you see, say, one of them are same thing.
Same thing.
What am I doing?
Alright, come on, roll him. Now stay here with them.
Come out of me yard.
Problem them.
No, come out of me yard. Come out of me yard, don't know damn all fast.
Feel like we don't know, say, all of them are same
No
thing.
move from here, so.
Same thing, them,
Come
man.
up here, man. Cousin and me auntie,
Move out of me yard, angry.
No, say no.
Look at change, you know it.
That we are telling you now.
Change,
I don't feel like you can hold on higher career.
you know it.
I'm going to
For real, man. Right round the four corner earth, man. You know
Four
anything?
corner the earth?
Yes, man.
Thank
You don't know
Jesus.
anything.
So that
man.
means we are going to come out of separation now then.
And that I aim, you know, man. And that I aim for we right now, you know.
Long
Jump
time we
out
are
of
suffer,
separation. I kill one, kill separation, you know, man.
I say you have time for no bury all of separation.
Ready, man. Right away, man. You don't know I pray. You're a Rastafari, man. Blessing will come, man. Just go and hold it, man. You pray.
The mobile couldn't pack me down.
How that skinny?
Die and blaze.
Skinny and forward.
Hey, Fichocho. What's going on?
You know, we there do a skinny.
Hey, I baddest artist by Blacks of Fichocho, you know.
Right,
I reach far.
You know,
Fichocho.
yeah.
Rasta, blazing higher. Happen to Bingy.
No,
Him kinky. Fichocho. So I go out with, hey, I want to tell you, so I man I invest in some business, you know.
Business.
Yeah, man, I wanna be a real businessman. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you know what I think, man. Hey, business is the way to go. Yeah, man. Once you do business, you'll be a successful man in life, you know.
Right,
yeah,
for
man.
true. So we have to go and do some business.
Yeah, for true. I man always invest in the right business, them, you know. Yeah. I man well smart and educated, you know, man. Yeah, man. Hey, you see this a business that I invest in? I tell you, say, it'll come to you really way. Yeah, man, upliftment. Yeah, man, for true.
Them things that we want to hear about, you know, man.
Yeah,
some
man,
great
I really,
business,
man,
some
I
great
like
things
that.
to do, you know.
For true. So you say you do them business for true?
Yeah, man, I invest in a business, man, and the business I go propel and manifest and, you know, reach out party. I man just become the greatest business person of all time. For true. Yeah.
True.
So they go out, then I know more bad tune by base of the true.
Yeah, man, nowadays I build about 24 new songs, man.
For
Brawling, man. You see, pray.
Yeah, man, I man have all the link them, you know, call me Linky. You know,
So what kind of link, yeah?
Hey, me have whole heap of link, man. Your song then can play all about Africa, Uganda, and Nigeria, Algeria.
And you know, can link up, you cling at them and make them know go on and...
A simple thing
so
that,
you have
man.
a link them on a move, so skip.
Hey, me have every link, man. Every link me have for true, man. Me
I know say you them one out there too skinny, man.
For sure. Hey, you know me I think about, me I set a link for you, is it? But watch you know, me want motion down pan the place for true for deal with something, you know. So me dey borrow 1,000, me get it back, man. But you know, so me always work on them thing there, so by Friday when me get me pay for true, me make you get it back 1,000 at least, is it? And you know Friday, you know, to the hour. Thursday at tomorrow. Then tomorrow you get it back, man. Tomorrow for Chocho, man. That's 1,000. But they want to borrow from you for Chocho, you know?
Alright,
yeah, man.
No skinny me. I got gear 1,000, you know. But
Yeah,
make
man.
sure
Oh,
me
you
get my
mean?
1,000
I
back
lease
in a
that, man.
skinny
I
car.
lease that, man. You
You see,
have to
bro.
worry yourself, my father, man. You have
Alright,
to worry
me give
yourself,
you
man.
1,000.
You have to worry yourself, man. Me I tell you, say, quick and fast you get it back, man, you know? Quick and fast, my father, man. This thing that I lease, man, you know? Yeah, man, because you know the thing,
man. You have
yeah.
to do it right, you know.
Yeah, man. Oh, you be the biggest artist, you know.
You know that,
Me
man.
did I tell them about it, you know, but them no want hear. Them no want hear for church, you know. Me tell them say I be the biggest
So hold
artist.
on, so you believe all that skinny all of them are sitting here, what am I tell about?
Skinny
Rasta,
good,
Lord,
man.
my eye business, no, man. They are move so far, right? Hey, you see Rasta, so Rasta stay, man. Rasta love going like them more Rasta.
All of them are sitting here, what am I tell you about?
No, listen, Rasta, yeah? Rasta no like for see you get to you guys for church, me I tell you. Rasta no like them thing there for church.
Rolling.
Yeah.
Aya, no one skinny that aya.
Yeah, man, I bore that, man. See what they say, chatty,
Yeah, man.
chatty boy.
I forgive him a talk to right now, you know, aya.
Yeah, man.
Come in, you could go give him a page.
Hey, boy, skinny. Hey, boy.
Church, man. I mean, I tell you, hey, it's styling different for church, you know.
Yeah, boy, skinny. Come on, man.
Hey, rolling.
Yo,
Hey, rolling.
Come on.
Rolling
Yo.
dice. Hey,
Yo,
rolling.
watch it, man. What go on clean?
See, I cut.
Yo, I be a
You
chat,
will come
chat,
to
chat
see
out
Aya.
about, you know,
Eh?
me say I
You
call
will
up
come
man
to see
name, you know,
Aya.
man.
Hey, me, man.
Aya,
I
me
say,
leave him,
oh,
Aya.
yeah,
Heal me, Aya. Aya, don't heal me, Aya. Hear me, I say, Aya. Yeah,
Wait.
mix up, Aya.
mix up.
Aya, nah, me did feel like, say, yo.
If you change your ways,
What you talking about? Me don't know what you talking
Aya,
about.
talking
hear me, I say.
about.
What you tell me, Empress today, Aya?
Answer, me don't know what you talking about. Yo, you know, say, I touch me, I touch you,
Yo,
still
you know,
not
I
see. Now,
touch
look.
Aya, you know, say, let me tell
Yo,
you, Aya,
I'm
hold on,
not
Aya.
sure if
Aya,
I'm
hold on, Aya.
you want to mash up a man and human
Me
life.
Aya,
don't
you
know
know,
what
say,
you talking
Aya,
about.
when I see me Empress dash the food, you know, sir, from this, so me I look different.
Oh,
Aya.
today, that me
Aya.
hey, me dey say, when she dash your food, no me I say, yo, which she does dash your food so for church,
So, yo,
like
Aya,
a joke
I know
thing.
that we are
Style
talking
thing.
about. Aya,
Food there, man, you had a henka for me can chat.
Which
chat,
food they
chat,
talking
chat
about? They see me look like one got.
Yo,
I me love people.
Yo, me know
Hey.
your style, you know. Me know
Me
your
your cousin
style.
and you should not pre
So
them
no,
thing
so
there
no,
for
so no
church.
true, we are cousin, make me know your
Aya.
style.
Hey, you never
True,
did
Aya,
them,
nah,
man.
no
The
mix up in a
man did
bang
the far right,
Aya.
man.
Aya, you know, see, you deserve a piece of beating, though, Aya.
Choo.
Oh, chat. How many matter about?
Aya, a serious thing we are make you know, Aya.
How many
Aya,
deal?
hold on, Aya. Aya, nah, no, in a them thing, the Aya. We don't want, Aya, nah, you know,
You have to
Aya,
get
nah.
some beat,
Aya,
man.
nah, no want mix up in a Babylon.
Watch you now.
Something,
You
Aya.
can't them
Hear
thing
me, I
them
say
pity, man.
Hear me,
Some
I say
pity
skinny.
thing them, man. For church.
Hear me, I say bad, man.
Yeah.
You know this. Me no want, you know, no mix up. Aya, nah, just
For
want,
sure.
Aya, nah, princess,
Rasta
no,
the
say.
pan them thing there for Aya,
Aya, nah, just want to know, say, princess, Aya, nah, get back
For
together.
sure. Because Aya, I think
want
the
to keep it.
emotion for church.
Yo, skinny. I'm making a kiba your mouth. If you
Yo.
look chatting, man, everything you see
I
a chat,
look
how
who
you
drop me
see
there
a
run.
chat.
I look who drop me there run.
Aya, you can't run joke for Aya, nah,
I
life
drop
like
me
that,
there
Aya.
run, man.
It seems like Aya they smoke some craving here and they take some
Hey.
ball, Aya.
Hey,
you
wait, just listen,
must
man.
be sitting
I
with
drop
them
me there
calling
run, man.
Mali,
Hey, Susie, take it serious, you know, cause me tell her say, me see you with the big body girl. I drop me there,
sure,
man.
tell her, Aya.
I drop me there, man.
Aya know say Aya nah is
So
a
no,
hard-working man.
Kiwi,
Hard-working
come
man. The
on,
man
you
pass
can't
me
take
on
that
the
so
work
serious.
rolling dice. Me say the man pass me on the
On
work
the work.
and come tell me woman say him pass me over big body girl yard.
So, yo, why you do that for skinny?
I drop me there, man. She take it serious.
Aya,
Though. Hey,
Aya.
rolling. Hey, so me
Aya,
see,
hear me, Aya, get
me
some
see
more
she
you do
dash
for
her
me,
food
Aya.
Katrina rolling.
Aya, get some more you do for me,
She
Aya.
take it serious, church.
Aya.
Yo, you
Me
feel
just
stop
want
them serious
Empress
joke
know
there.
say everything alright,
Oh,
Aya.
if me can come in the morning, tonight me could have come and start
Aya,
to try me
Aya,
food.
Aya,
Oh, she
nah.
never bother cook no more food, not true?
You see,
Aya, right now,
me tell you,
Aya,
say, I'm belly a lead him a
No, man, me no want no food for church. Me no want no
can't
food
go
for
in a belly
No, man, Rasta.
Them a go poison
Aya.
you.
Oh, me no eat a people yard, Danny.
Aya,
Me no
you
eat
know,
a people
Aya,
yard.
you know
Me no
much
eat-
people.
Nobody can poison me,
Aya,
because me
hear
no
me,
eat a
I say
people
now.
yard for church.
Skinny, you know so we are good friends like that. We see you up on the road, we usually have a drink, you buy a drink,
For true.
I buy a drink.
So that couldn't be serious for
Skinny,
church.
no skinny man. Come on, skinny man. You have to do better than that. Aya, man.
Yo, man, you're lucky man, no man, and style.
Hey, give it our matter.
I don't know what go on no car. I joke me did that man. I make you everything no. I
kill man. I can't believe say take them thing the serious man.
Rolling.
And I talk about me love chat and them thing. I man love chat and love.
It makes sense. What you say no aya.
Yo, boy, I'm mad here, man. It makes sense.
Better what you say no aya. Come on aya.
Yo, people just take everything for serious. You can't run no local jokes off a chocho. Any local joke you run it, then
so I say aya. You know much things we go through aya. We been through the rain,
my mother can't tell me a big man. We're talking about
breadfruit camp aya.
Me a big man, far right. What you talk about? How kind of style that you come to man with mother car? Me a big man. What you talk about? No mother can't send con call. Me a big man, my own.
Crack in aya.
Hey, me no like.
Aya. Say come like him man under some crack and some aya. But him good still in aya. Aya na you don't know. Aya na weak when Empress lock the door aya.
For real, man.
Aya na Rastafari. Aya na should make Empress lock the door. Aya na walk away like that. Aya na should have just hold her rims with Aya na Empress.
True,
and make
man.
Empress know say, oi, when we have certain issue like that, we don't go at it like that. You see what I mean?
True, man.
So I go just try get a totally gift and totally something and make Empress know say, oi, we not for live like that.
True, man.
They are Babylon world them there.
Cause me love boy too and living up.
That's we have
the boy skin I try mash up all the thing.
I just go try say everything can go on. Yeah, good youth
everything I go work out, man.
Good youth in the
real
road,
man.
Just go and hold the PC and we and keep it real. Yeah,
yeah man.
Thanks,
Bless up, man. Yo, forward in Rasta.
Daughter, what kind of cry you cry, daughter? Don't want to see you cry, no. Daughter. You know, say, you shouldn't make the cook skinny get in your brain and convince you. And me, if you get in your brain and convince your daughter. But guess what? I bring something for you, you know. I know you're going to love it, you know, daughter. Alright, look on the roses. And daughter, you know you're going to love this too, you know, daughter. Wait, daughter. See, another rose is a daughter. Daughter. See, the one you forgot your head side, daughter. African queen. Daughter. You see that juice, daughter. If you know where it come from, daughter. We are England and all this, daughter. I'm have another something for you. I better this a biggie special. So another flowers a year so if you wear, daughter. And you see this now, daughter. Them have to go around your head. What? Daughter. Evil. Daughter. You see it so right now, cause everything mean back now. I can't get a hug, daughter. Jesus Christ, daughter. Empress. You know I love you, you know, Empress. Nothing to come between me and you, know, Empress. Alright, Poopa. We link here, aye? Alright, aye. So, mama, say a word, man. Everything connect back, man. So, with the eye?
Yes.
Alright.
Then how these flowers they look so? Look like callaloo and full of worm.
Easy, no, Empress. I chew a worm season. I get some salt. Now watch that, man. I get some salt and take care, right? You hear, Empress? I just chew, you don't know, a worm season. Butterflies out. You see me, Empress? So, you don't know. Now watch that, man. Salt there, though.
Alright, thanks. Me like it.
Alright, Empress.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on. The more them fight and the stronger me get super saiyan. I be a money in my trunks for the present and the future, I'm just saying. We never call out when our time figure do the work, we keep on praying. Never straying. Watch them attack, say the thing a shot now. And I hope your man car, them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dead. Lock up in a jail and so the thing work. How prolong. Watch them attack, say the thing a shot now. And I hope your man car, them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dead. Lock up in a jail and so the thing work. Mob life, life is a blessing. The most I know they see my regular, me see my life is stressing. The money in my pocket, all my family used to say things like exclusive, me keep on stepping. Light up one and chant up me reverend. It's so clear them want fame and shut me heavens. But I just say, mind me no fi pay them. Just want do the work. Watch them attack, say the thing a shot down. And I hope your man car, them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dead. Lock up in a jail and so the thing work. Yo, Prolong. Watch them attack, say the thing a shot now. And I hope your man car, them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dead. Lock up in a jail and so the thing work. Mob life, many days and nights. Me full of pain and strife. We see me rise and never big and twice. But I try to give me strength to make them hear man voice, yo. Many days and nights. I'm about to bean and rice. Sugar and water will stay so nice. No bed, no pill, I used to face those nights. Watch them attack, say the thing a shot now. And I hope your man car, them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dead. Lock up in a jail and so the thing work. How prolong. Watch them attack, say the thing a shot now. And I hope your man car, them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dead. Lock up in a jail and so the thing work. St. Thomas, life is a blessing. Most I not tasting, but regular me say my life is stressing. The money in my pocket, all my family used to say things like exclusive, me keep on stepping. Light up one and chant up my reverend. It's the clear them off them and stop me heaven. But I just say, mind me no fi pay them. Just want do the work. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on. The more them fight, the stronger me get super saiyan. I be a money in my trunks for the present and the future, I'm just saying. We never call out when a time fi go do the work, we keep on praying.